Today we are going to talk about how does MCP work and how does it stay secure inside your company. Let's walk through it in under 2 minutes. Before MCP, every AI application needed its own custom integration for every enterprise system. 3 apps and 4 systems means 12 separate connectors, each with its own code, its own credentials, and its own security review. The Model Context Protocol replaces all of that with one open standard. The AI application, called the host, runs one MCP client per connection. On the other side, each system gets one MCP server, and every server speaks the same language. It exposes tools, actions the model can take, resources, data it can read, and prompts, reusable templates. Here's what it looks like in practice. An employee asks their AI assistant, "What's the status of the Acme deal?" The model picks the right tool and calls it through MCP. The server queries the real CRM and returns structured, current data. The employee gets a live answer, nothing copied, nothing stale. In an enterprise, you don't scatter these connections. You route them through one governed front door, an MCP gateway. Every session is authenticated against your identity provider first, SSO and MFA included. The MCP servers stay inside your network, right next to the data they expose. Security rests on 3 pillars. Authenticate, access starts with the user. OAuth consent through your own identity provider. No shared passwords, no API keys and prompts. Authorize. Tokens carry least privilege scopes. The model can read what this user is allowed to read, and nothing more. Audit. Every tool call is attributed to a person and logged, so security teams review everything from one trail. What can go wrong? Prompt injection, poison content tricking the model into misusing its tools, and data exfiltration. Sensitive records leaking out through responses. The guardrails, least privilege scopes, human approval for risky actions, gateway allow lists, and anomaly alerts on the audit trail. Even a tricked model can't exceed its permissions, and every attempt is logged. Employee, AI host, gateway, MCP servers, your data, with identity on top and an audit trail underneath. Standardized, governed, audited. That's the Model Context Protocol in the enterprise.